Cozy Coupe. You do it like it's never been done. Cozy, 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 cozy coupe. I'm ready for rolling into fun. My Cozy Coupe.
I wonder what Cozy Coupe is up to today. Ooh, look! A big stack of bricks. And there are the dirt diggers. I wonder what they're building. And there's Truck! The bricks must belong to him. Looks like he's here to repair the road. He's asking if Cozy can help by moving that barrier. Good job, Cozy. Wait! Look out for that hole! Oops! Phew! Cozy is all right, but where did this big hole come from? And where's all this mud coming from? It's those pesky dirt diggers. They're digging lots of holes in the road. Truck needs to stop them, but he'll need Cozy's help. Maybe he can get Cozy out with this plank of wood. Up Cozy goes! That did the trick. Now Cozy needs to wear a hard hat to help out on the building site. Now to round up those pesky diggers. Truck is trying to catch them, but they're just digging around him. Cozy can't catch up with them either. They're too speedy. But wait, they've stopped. What's going on? Oh, it's Cozy's toot. I think they like the sound. Cozy can use that to make them follow. Great job, Cozy. Now to put the diggers to good use. Cozy is making the diggers push that big pile of bricks into the hole to fill it in. That way nobody will fall down it again. Good job, Cozy. The road is all fixed now. Cozy Coupe and the gang are playing with building blocks. They're trying to build a big house. But, oh dear, they're having some problems. Oops, sorry, Turtle. The sand gives Cozy an idea. It's time to play big! Wow! They've all arrived at the beach! This looks like so much fun! But what's this? Whoa! A pile of huge building blocks! I wonder what they're going to build. I think Cozy has a plan! They can build a clubhouse! Now the gang are piling all the blocks up. Good job, everyone! Oof, those blocks are too heavy for Truck to move on his own. He needs some help from his friends. Princess is helping too. But what's she seen? Ooh, it's a giant seashell. She has an idea. That'll make a perfect roof for the clubhouse. Fairy flies over and lifts the shell up. Whoops! Oh, she almost dropped it. Careful there. What an awesome roof for the clubhouse. What's this? A big tube? Oh, it's Turtle. I wonder what they can use the tube for. Amazing! It's a slide for the clubhouse. Well done, everyone. What a fun day they've had at the beach. Here comes Cozy Coupe. Whoa! And there goes Firetruck. He loves to speed about everywhere. Oh, look! It's the fire station. Firetruck is hanging up the hose, so he's ready for any emergencies. Hey, maybe Cozy can help out. Oh, please! Awesome! Now Cozy is a firefighter too. Cool hat, Cozy. Firetruck is teaching Cozy what to do. They plug in the hose at the hydrant like this. And then... the fire alarm! It's an emergency! There must be a fire somewhere. Firetruck and Cozy are taking a look. Where could it be? Oh, there it is! It's Cozy's job to bring the hose. Oops! You need to unhook it first. Cozy and Firetruck are racing off to fight the fire as fast as they can. It's Ice Cream Truck! Oh no! His barbecue is on fire! He's throwing ice creams at the fire! Oh no, Ice Cream Truck! That won't work! Phew! Here's Cozy and Firetruck to save the day. Time to put out that fire! Cozy has to plug in the hose like they practiced. Cozy's taking it to the hydrant, but it caught around that rock. The hose is plugged in, but no water is coming out. It's knotted up at the rock. Quick, Cozy, untangle the hose. Where's the water? It should be coming out. Whoa! Cozy fixed it. Nice work. Time to put out that fire. There. Mission accomplished. Good job, everyone. An ice cream truck is saying thank you with some ice creams. Here comes Cozy. It's his birthday today. That badge looks super cool. What was that? It's Fairy. She's delivering the mail. Oops. A present. Could that be for Cozy? Not yet. No, Cozy. Fairy needs these letters delivered, and Cozy can lend a hand. Whose letter should they deliver first? Cozy is so excited to help deliver the mail. Who's that over there? It's Truck. I wonder what he's building today. Cozy's giving him his letter. Huh? Where's Truck going? Oh, look! There's some paint. Where does it lead? Princess and Go Green are painting a banner. But they're acting very strange. They're not letting Cozy see the banner. Cozy hands them their letters. But they're putting on party hats, just like Truck. What is going on? Oh, there's Fairy again. And she still has the present. Time to follow Fairy, Cozy. But where is Fairy leading Cozy? This is very strange. Surprise! It's a surprise party for Cozy. And all the Coupes are here to celebrate. Happy birthday, Cozy. There's music and cake and all Cozy's friends. Here's a letter for Cozy, too. It's a birthday card. And there's the present. Good things come to those who wait. Wow! A trailer! What an amazing present! Cozy couldn't be happier. Now it's time for everyone to dance and enjoy the party. Hooray! It's a windy day in Beach Town, and everyone is excited to go surfing. Cozy grabs a board and heads for the water. But look! Those waves are really big! Cozy hasn't seen waves that big before. But Ice Cream Truck isn't scared. He's grabbing that bright blue surfboard. And off he goes. Cozy's trying to warn him about the big waves, but I don't think Ice Cream Truck understands. He's so excited to go surfing. Uh-oh, he's wobbling a bit. And here comes a really big wave. Wipeout! Ice Cream Truck's fallen in the water. There he is. He's stranded on that little island. He needs help. Cozy wants to help out. An umbrella? I don't think that's going to help. Or that. Oh, here comes Rescue Coupe. Surely she can save Ice Cream Truck. At least you tried, Cozy. That's what's important. Rescue Coupe is taking the rubber ring out to Ice Cream Truck. She's reached him. But look out! Another wave! Oh, phew. They're okay. But the life preserver is back on the beach. Cozy can go to help. But Cozy's still frightened of the big waves. Go on, Cozy. You can do it! Off Off Cozy goes, swimming out to the island. But what's this? It's Turtle, here to give Cozy a ride. Cozy's reached the island. Well done! Now Rescue can take Ice Cream Truck back to the beach. Cozy is happy riding Turtle. Here comes a big wave, but Cozy's not scared anymore. Cozy's going to surf on Turtle. Whoa! Cozy is catching the big waves now. Whoa! Cozy Coupe and the gang are having a water balloon fight. Look, Cozy fills one up at the water tap, and they start playing. This is so much fun. Splash! Oh, water splashed on Go Green's flower, and now it's grown. Looks like it's time to play big. Wow! The gang are in a garden. Look at all the flowers. But, oh no! The flowers are droopy. They need water. Cozy has an idea. Cozy fills up a water balloon, throws it, and splash! The flowers grew! The gang are going to throw water balloons at the flowers to help them grow. Cozy and Chief throw as far as they can. Splash! The flowers look so much better now. Now Chief and Cozy are making a huge water balloon. This will splash over the whole garden. Go Green pops the balloon and wow! It's like it's raining. But oh no! The flowers are being weighed down by all the popped balloons. The gang had better clean up the mess. Off the coops go, getting all the balloon pieces and putting them in the recycling bin. Great job, everyone! Huh? But what's Go Green up to? Oh, she turned them into a jump rope! Awesome! Here comes Cozy Coupe! And there's Chief at the police station. Whoa, what's that? Oh, Cozy's slipping! Look out, Chief! What's that purple stuff? Look, there's more here. It's a trail of purple paint. Chief is taking a print of the tire tracks so they can match it to the person that caused it. Now they're following the trail to get to the bottom of this mystery. But wait, if Cozy is going to be a detective, Cozy needs a hat. The trail stopped. But now there's dollops of purple paint. Very strange. I wonder what could have caused this. There are some dirt diggers, and paint's falling on them. Cozy and Chief are stopping them fighting, but where did the paint come from? Somewhere up above? Look! There's Fairy with a can of paint. Maybe she left the paint everywhere. Now Fairy's landing by that little house. Cozy and Chief are coming. Oh no! Look out! The paint is purple, all right. Looks like we solved the mystery. Her wheels match the paint trail. She caused all this mess around town. But Fairy didn't mean to. She didn't know she was spilling paint everywhere. Cozy has an idea. They can work together to clean up the mess. The paint washes off easily. Soon Cozy is going all through town cleaning up the paint. And Fairy is helping. Chief is cleaning up the diggers too. It's great fun. Wow! Now Chief has painted the house for Fairy. Mission accomplished. Though Chief could use a good clean himself. Cozy Coupe and the gang are playing musical statues. Everyone's having such fun dancing and grooving. Everyone is doing their own special dance. But look! Chief has stopped the music. Everybody freeze! Make sure you stay very, very still. Uh-oh. Fairy moved. She is out. Oh, no! The radio is broken. How will they play musical statues now? Wait, I think Cozy has an idea. It's time to play big! Whoa! They're in the music shop. It has a dance floor and a disco ball. Time for everyone to strut their stuff. Princess is on the DJ deck. Freeze! Remember, stay very, very still. Oops! Fairy's out. Uh-oh, Chief is going to sneeze. Oh, he's out too. Now it's time to dance again. Dance! Freeze! Truck and Cozy are staying so still. Oh, Truck's fallen over. Cozy is the winner! Cozy won. But it's more fun if everyone gets to dance together. So Cozy is calling everyone back onto the dance floor. There's nothing quite like dancing to music with all your best friends. Great dancing, everyone! Cozy Coupe and the gang are going to play hide and seek. It's Fairy Coupe's turn to count. Uh-oh, there's nowhere for the Coupes to hide. Fairy's seeking. Oh no. That's not a very good hiding place. This isn't much fun. But wait, Cozy has an idea. It's time to play big. Now they're in a big garage. This is a much better place to play hide and seek. There are so many places to hide. Quickly, quickly! Fairy is counting. Everyone needs to hide quick. Cozy has an idea. Ready or not, here Fairy comes. Oh, look! Cozy is painted the same color as the wall. Fairy can't see Cozy. Very smart. Is someone behind that plant? It's Go Green. Someone inside the cupboard? Maybe this one? It's Chief Coupe. Fairy loves seeking. Oh, whoops! She knocked the paint shelf and now it's wobbling. Oh no, it might fall over. Now everyone is panicking. It'll make such a mess. Look! Cozy is holding up the shelf. Stopping it from falling is more important than winning the game to Cozy. All the Coupes come over to help Cozy hold up the shelf. Phew! It stopped wobbling. Great job, everyone! Oh, there's slow old turtle. He won hide and seek at last. Now they need to wash off all the paint. So they head off to the Wacky Wash to get clean. It's so much fun! Look! Even Turtle is taking a turn. Hooray! Goodbye, everyone! Cozy Coupe and the gang are having fun in the puddles. There goes Fairy Coupe. She's using her wings to fly. Now, Cozy Truck. Whoops! This is fun. But the puddles are only small. I think Cozy has an idea. It's time to play big! Whoa! Now the Coupes are at the farm. And there are stepping stones across a river. Cozy is leading the way. Hop, hop, hop. This is so much fun! Now it's Fairy's turn. Hop, hop. Whoa! Careful, Fairy. Luckily, she can just fly across the water. Phew! What's that noise? Whoa! It's Firetruck! He's on his way to an emergency, and he has to cross the river. Oh no! Firetruck fell into the water, and now he's stuck. But Cozy knows what to do. They can use that rope to rescue him. Chief Coupe is hopping over to help. But I think Truck is nervous. He's big and clumsy. Cozy's got the rope. Now Fairy can fly it over to Firetruck. But poor Truck, he's afraid he'll fall in too. They need his strength to pull Firetruck free. Cozy encourages their friend. He can do it! Truck made it! Now, 1, 2, 3, pull! Hooray! They pulled Firetruck free. Well done, everyone! You saved the day! Cozy Coupe and the gang are playing soccer. Look at them go! Kick off! Chief Coupe loves playing the referee. But what's this? I think Cozy has an idea. It's time to play big! Whoa! It's a big soccer field. Now the gang can play a proper game. Chief is ready to start the game. Kick off! Cozy, Princess Coupe, and Cozy Truck are playing Keep Uppy. Let's see how long they can keep bouncing the ball. Not bad, but Chief thinks they should bounce the ball higher. Now the gang are trying again, bouncing even higher. Oops! Truck hit the ball really high. Rescue Coupe is rushing over to help. Poor Truck has a flat tire. Luckily, a Band-Aid can make it all better. Oh dear, the soccer ball ended up stuck in a tree. How will they get it back now? Princess is trying to poke it free with the flag, but it's no good. Wait! Cozy has another bright idea! Off Cozy goes to bounce on the blanket and... whack! Cozy knocked the ball free! Hooray! Now they can play soccer again. Even Chief and Rescue are playing too. It's so much fun to play together. Bye, everyone!